Physically, I'm all in with this home building, but I'm still trying to do a bit of my exercise routine. I feel like it keeps me mentally sharp. We're getting ready to do the decking, and I want to push some of this soil back to have a better working area on the perimeter. Little by little, I make progress. I must have been a chain gang worker in a former life. So I moved a few yards, and this will make when we start tomorrow a little bit easier, a little bit safer. I still need to bring in a load of topsoil and backfill quite a bit, so if anyone has a small tractor or the like and wants to come on out, shoot me an email. This is the next day, and it's a rainy one. It's less than ideal for doing the decking, but it'll be fine. I need to give a big shout out to Ed Zimmerman for his recent very generous donation. I also need to thank frequent donator Stephen Watkins as well. This is the biggest wall that we're going to raise, and for me it's very exciting. I need to mobilize the GS Tongs army. In addition to backfill work, I'm really looking for someone who knows ductless mini-split heating and cooling systems. The quote I got seems so way out of line for the tiny home I'm building, and so if anyone is near me in Shelton, Washington, and wants to do this or can point me in the right direction, then by all means let me know. Of course you'll be paid fairly. We haven't had a chop saw on this job, which would make smaller cuts a lot easier, and also because I'm not really skilled with a skill saw. I want to create framing, not firewood. So there's still a little here and there to do, but the exterior walls are pretty much framed up. For the last couple of days, it's been just basically me and one other guy, Brody. That's what you call hand hammering. Lucky Brody is on the job. He and I take care of the interior walls. This is just such a satisfying part of this work.
Time I went to fire it up, it fired right up.
Well, that's nice.
Never did I ever have to drain the fuel out of my carburetor.
Oh, yeah?
I'm really enjoying working with this intelligent young man. He's taught me quite a bit, and he's interested in blacksmithing, so maybe I can return the favor. That's all for now. As you can see, we've got a lot more fooling around to do.